have something that I call the military shuffle ball change. It's basically a shuffle ball change combination done with a military rhythm. So you're going to start with the right foot. You're going to do shuffle ball change and then march. Shuffle ball change, march. Then you're going to do 3 shuffle ball changes and do a step touch to change sides. Then the left foot starts. Shuffle ball change, march, march. Shuffle ball change, march, march. 3 shuffle ball changes, step touch. Okay, so that's the whole section. Let's walk through it. You've got 5, 6, 7, shuffle ball change, march, march, shuffle ball change, march, march, shuffle ball change, shuffle ball change, shuffle ball change, step touch, shuffle ball change, march, march, shuffle ball change, march, march, shuffle ball change, shuffle ball change, shuffle ball change, step touch. Good, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7. Five, 6, 7, shuffle ball change, march, march, shuffle ball change, march,